Hey, Bart here. Social media marketing is definitely something that a lot of people think is necessary to market your games. And I'm not so sure about it. I have a lot of experience marketing my games. I did that for over 10 years now. And I also tried social media marketing. What I did was, for a whole year, I decided to do a daily Facebook news and Instagram post and also a tweet. And I did that like daily for a year. I also did 1,200 daily tweets because, after doing it for a year on Facebook and Instagram, I decided I only want to do tweets after that. And to be honest, the results weren't that great. For the first 3 years of doing that, my game got only around, I don't know, maybe like 50,000 downloads, and it was a free game. And since then, it got over 1.5 million downloads. So, to be honest, I don't think that was necessary to, spam all those social media platforms. At the same time, there was a lot of different benefits that I got from it. And also, you might say that I didn't really do it, perfectly well. So that's definitely a reason that my game marketing didn't do as well as it could have. I mean, I basically just posted, random GIFs and videos from my game. I didn't really think about it too much, and probably if I was better at it and if I tried harder on improving the marketing craft, then maybe those would give me better results. But I'm a solo developer, so I didn't really have that much time to focus on it. And I feel like I gave it a honest try. That was my experience with them. To be honest, I kind of feel like this is how it works right now. It's mostly about the algorithms. So if your game is good and if you tag it well and use the right keywords and stuff like that, then it will be played by people. Especially if you can find some content creators that will, promote it for you. And I think that's how it looks right now. So I wouldn't say it's necessary to market your game through social media. However, there definitely are games that would do well there. So, like Chris Stokowski says, some games can do really well there. And I think it's worth trying it out to see if your game is one of those games. But at the same time, if your game doesn't really do that greatly on social media, it doesn't really mean it will not do well on release. My second game that I made got 12,000 wishlists, and none of it pretty much came from social media, unless you count YouTube as social media. I think it's definitely possible to market your game without spamming Twitter. But I still would try, and maybe it turns out your game is actually, a game that would benefit from it. My games are mostly gameplay oriented. They are not super original, so that's probably why they don't look good on paper. But I feel like once people play them, then they realize that it's actually a fun game. So the stats, like analytic stats of the game, look good, and they also promote the game to their friends. So I think that's very important right now. There's also a bunch of super surprising benefits of social media marketing that I got from doing that for a long time. And that's something I would like to make a separate video about because, I'm new to this YouTube stuff and I need to get my thoughts around it. I'll try to record a video and link it here. If it's linked, then please check it out. And if not, then subscribe. And thank you for watching today. See ya.